when you look at the inventor of penicillin, when you look at like the guy who built the bridge, like there are all these people who had to believe in something before it was a fact. And so that's why possibilities are so important.
Why is it important to inspire possibilities in others?
Oh my gosh. I mean, that seems like so obvious, like we have to inspire what's possible because so much of our lives, we're told, don't do that. You can't do that. Don't talk too loud. Don't do that. Don't go there. Don't think that way. And the truth is we're like suppressed in what's possible by this word don't or can't or shouldn't. And so it's so important that we awaken to what's possible because the truth is everything and anything is possible. We didn't know we were going to have these things in our hand 20 years ago that we live off of. We didn't know that people could go to the moon. We didn't know that, there was all these inventions. We didn't know those things existed until somebody decided that it was possible. It was possible to drive a car. It was possible to put a candle and turn it into a lamp. Like somebody had to believe in possibilities. And if you look at every great invention and every great, health turn on population for health, when you look at the inventor of penicillin, when you look at like the guy who built the bridge, like there are all these people who had to believe in something before it was a fact. And so that's why possibilities are so important. I mean, can you imagine if we can fix climate change, if we can end world hunger, if we can, save the polar ice caps, if we have to think that yes, that's possible. And in thinking that it's possible, then we have permission to go and find the solution.